Welcome Evolving Minds Foundation 4. It's been a very interesting journey. We started with the condensation project, getting pure water from tea leaf solutions. We really went on to study something on air pressure and liquid pressure using syringe. Exploration to understand, paying attention to the details, the questions asked by student. It's really the hydraulic pump project. Went down and looked at the bike and saw where are possible hydraulic levers. Demonstrated them in the braking, how this is used. This is a disc brake. And some samples of battery and the power generated by it, then joined by many. Shown demonstration of television, how it works. Some experiments with water. We had a really good section on gears. Showing them the model. They really could understand. It's demonstrated on the process flow for engineering works. Something with chemistry. Yeah, that's cool. Talked about reactions, hydrogen bomb explosions, interaction between elements. Yeah, that's a really big chart on mixtures. We recorded the blast of the hydrogen balloon and some video sessions on animals and mammals. A video session learning. This is how we use the projector efficiently to teach about Big Bang. They're very curious to know about the origin of the universe. Getting to know all the parts of the engine. Something on levers, a screw jack. We really had fun lifting people with less effort. Yeah, this is an introduction to fossil making project. Then we started with the section on plotters, how to plot different lamps. So it was a very intriguing and interesting session for them to really construct a plotter using a motor. Here is the one, and they have to start constructing it, make it precise, make some geometrical calculations, fine-tune it. Yeah, finally they come with a lot of plotters. Basically, we need to draw these graphs. We demonstrated different types of machines that could cut, CNC machines and plotters. Talking on design layout. Yeah, they are fully involved in the process of constructing it. Yeah, one student has come with the brilliant idea. It plots concentric circles. We will have a video session on independence of India. Here you see the final machine. Yeah, Really Achieving Childhood Dreams by Randy Pausch. One of the beautiful sessions, and they've been given some inputs on pursuing their passion. We did work on densities of different liquids and the behavior. They're really safe, you not worry about it. Yeah, the spark ignitions, how could petrol could catch up by spark, electric spark. So they learned about the fuel. Participants come early and spend some 15-20 minutes of interacting with me on the various projects. These are some of the ways we give them on instruction to building a pump. Really many ways exist, and they've been worked on many areas to really pump water from one continent to another. Yeah, a lot of understanding here, how it works, the physics of They really played with creating these bubbles. It's a fun time. It really went well for them, and they could really listen and participate. Some became explorers and started pumping in a very different way. This is on slow motion cameras. Really, a session went on experimentation, taking them to understanding and by questioning. There's a beautiful emotion they shared. Yeah, that yolk floating in salt water. They have fun playing with the laptop to see different faces of them. That's really nice. There's a session on astronomy and black holes. How to detect one. Session full of questions. This is how they continue to participate. We did play Karate Kid.
See, this is condensing, getting cooled. Yes. Then you will see the drops coming here. You can move up, down. The air is flown out. When you put it back, you may not have enough power to suck it. So by gravity, it can fall down. So we can create a system which can move up, down. If I can use that force up, down towards the rotational motion, then I can move the wheels. It will burn your hand. Oh, I can't even take near it. The best part is you are sadhus. You're all sadhus by itself. All was like this. All was like this. See, when a newborn baby is born, when they get up, doctor will do on hitting. So the heartbeat sets into motion.
Yeah.
Okay? They have to pinch or do something. They have to make the baby cry. Then only we all have come into existence. These legs are very quiet.
Doctor,
they are not affected by the world. I am one element, you are one element. But how can new element be formed? The new element is formed because these people start communicating. Somehow a disturbance is created. Tom, tom, tom. So each day start moving. Now they are all set into motion. Start moving in their place. Dancing. I will tell how far to move. Now I am also one such element. Okay? No, master element here. Okay, so big element. Each element has their own weight. Now I am mixing this. So this mixture is not even. This is called heterogeneous mixture.
Heterogeneous. What is?
Water and soil.
That's what I said.
Think of some other thing. What happens?
Salt and soil.
You diving into the pool is a heterogeneous mixture.
Water and metal. I want to be a scientist.
Shy scientist.
No.
Then?
I'm a great chemist.
Chemist. Oh wow, you love chemistry, right? So what purpose? Study about chemicals. So what? By studying about chemicals, what is that you want to understand?
How they work.
Okay, how chemical reactions take place. So how everything is created. Okay, chemist.
I want to become a great and unforgettable scientist in the fields of chemistry.
You want to know the truth of what? Huh?
Like how it all.
How it all have come. Okay, you are more interested in how things have come. Okay, how?
But not from you.
This is what they used to level. Any time you see one observation.
Series.
Now, I can change it by will. Now it's not going to come together. Now,
Suppose you join this.
see
Now
now.
it's an equal level again.
But all things. Huh? So all things come.
It's equal.
Come down. Is it interesting? You're going to make it. And you're going to take home.
I know answer. I
And
know.
this is a clue to build a pump which could take the water from level A to level B.
I know the answer. I know the answer. We can put water inside it. We do the fountain again. Yeah, I want to see the
You
fountain.
look at the shape of the water.
I love the fountain.
Done. Now see guys, moment I put in, even I can lift this level higher it pumps back the water inside.
Okay, that's good.
So balloon is
If the balloon is big, it will pump at a faster rate. See, it is going to go beyond that level also for some time. Then after some time it will come back, but you are able to achieve it. Then lock it. It can go from this level.
Not sure.
I will do once again, watch. Now if I want water to come out, what's happening here? Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to blow here.
take from here. Take this.
But
Very slow.
Level here is y equals 0, and I could call this gravitational potential energy 0, and this is y. Then the gravitational potential energy here equals plus mgy. This is u. So if I make a plot of the gravitational potential energy,